Good morning. This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax of Clearwater. I'm here today to show you our beautiful 33-foot Outrage Boston whaler powered by twin 350 Verado white outboards. Very well equipped boat. You see the standard dive door off to the port side. You have your rear facing lounge that actually the backrest will convert into a table or a cutting station. You have also back to the transom a pull-out, very comfortable 2 to 3 person lounge seat. In the floor of the boat at the transom, a huge garage area. As you can see, you got your 4 batteries, all your pumps, your filters, your battery charger, everything right there you'll need to do to replace on the boat if that should ever occur. Also, you can see the fit and finish, just outstanding. Completely finished as well inside as it is outside. On the lid you'll have an attached table that goes inside. On the floorboards either side, port and starboard, huge fish boxes, insulated, pump out. Walking forward, you see a very expansive electronics station on your console. Also, you got the joystick, which is a nice combination of a skyhook and also autopilot, so it's really a 3-in-1. Makes docking in almost any type of sea condition very, very easy. See the set of stairs on the port side going up? That's a door, actually goes up on top of the T-top if you were to choose the upper control station. This really, everywhere you look, you have seating capacity. Not only is it a really nice hardcore fishing boat, but it converts into a family cruising boat or any type of water sports you should choose. You have down below a flip-up footrest to fit just about anybody of any height as you go forward. Very large chase lounge area, armrest. You can see how comfortable it looks. Yeah, there isn't a bad seat in the house. Underneath the chase lounge, another big storage garage. This is typically where you would put your canvas for the boat, which this will have the front and side curtains to button you up on a cold or a rainy day. You can see the enclosure, all glass enclosed. Upper area of the glass at the console, electric vent, allow ventilation of the wind and breeze on a hot summer day like today. What a beautiful boat. As with everything that Boston Whaler builds, this is a completely unsinkable hull. If you'd like to see this boat, come on by. We're here every day of the week. Love to have you come in, try the boat out. This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax Clearwater. Our number is 727-536-2628. Thank you.